I bet you've heard of the transverse abdominis muscle. That muscle is super important. It's super important for core engagement, the entire core engagement. And that muscle lies behind the rectus abdominis. So those six-pack muscles, it lies behind it and it kind of runs horizontal. It is designed to help create intra-abdominal pressure. And it runs this whole abdominal wall right here, not just right here. So you might have seen those videos of women and they're hugging their bellies or they're talking about hugging their bellies. But let's talk about that. Let's actually practice that and see if we can do that with a breath. One of the cues I like is to look at our hip bones right here and make sure they are pointed, straight forward, like we're on skis. There's no flaring out, there's no pulling in. So if we're taking a regular diaphragm breath, breathing in, letting it go, right? Our inhale is allowing our diaphragm to lower, allowing our pelvic floor to lower, everything to expand. Now what I want you to do on that exhale, think about these hip bones staying in place. You can also think about hugging your belly a little bit so it looks something like this. Now, third time, I want you to think about activating that TVA, getting these hip bones right in place, not letting them move, hugging the belly a little bit, and also taking a breath at the end. So it will look something like this. Inhaling, hug, take another breath. Can you take another breath? If you can't take another breath, you've probably sucked your belly button in too far. You've probably done a whole lot of compensating in the core area. We want this to stabilize, and be able to breathe here.